and welcome back to another video. My name is Shawty, and if you are here for the first time, then welcome, love. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I will be sharing one of my productive day routines. This is just miscellaneous things that I need to get done, such as projects, cleaning certain areas of the house, things that I know that I'm not going to be able to get done during the week. We did have a busy week, particularly coming up this week. And so we just wanted to make sure that we were able to get some things in order around the house before those things jumped off. Some of you have asked for a planning video, so I am excited to share that with you very, very soon. So definitely keep your eyes out for that. My husband is just playing around too much. He knew that the camera was rolling. So ladies, you know what that moment was about. All right, loves. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so you never miss an upload. Let's go, loves. Here's some shots of some areas that we're going to be tackling today. I just got done doing both of my girls' hair, so I'm going to clean this mess up. And then of course we'll tackle bedrooms. These little boxes right here are some little nightstands that we finally got in that I'll be putting together later on today. And so I hope that you enjoy this and that it motivates you to get up and move around. I always look for ways to save money, and so instead of buying individual packs of snacks, I love just purchasing the box of snack bags by Ziploc and buying the economy size boxes of Teddy Grahams, Goldfish, whatever it is that the kids are going to be snacking on that week, and just making my own portions. This saves at least 20 to 30% off the bill, and so I have noticed a difference in doing this. And so if you have not tried doing this is definitely something that I would encourage you to try. You get to control the portions, and this is also a good little trick when you are trying to prep and prepare snacks for yourself. If you have watched any of my previous videos, then you know I love getting a load of laundry started at the top of my day while I'm doing everything else around the house. This makes the laundry chore so much less invasive, and it goes by a lot quicker. How sweet is this moment? I love catching little glimpses of my kids and my husband. They do this quite often, but when I catch it on camera, it's such a sweet moment because this is something that they're going to remember when they rewatch these videos. And so definitely warms my heart to see things like this. So I have my daughter putting up the dishes. This is one of her main chores to do, is to unload and load the dishwasher. Comment below what chores you have your kiddos do around the house, and if you've implemented any kind of reward systems for them doing chores. There are some chores that they get rewarded for, but for the most part, these are things that we just want to instill good habits in them with, and so they need to definitely pull their weight around here. Those things are very important to my husband and I, for them to learn these things at an early age. For all the cleaning products that you see in this video, you can email me at lifewithshani@gmail.com. A few of you have already purchased yours and y'all have been loving them, and I'm super excited for that. So definitely hit me up if you would like some cleaning products of your own. The sink definitely makes the kitchen smell better, I think, because there's so many things that go through there. I also like to drop little pods down into the disposal and let those kind of clean out those pipes that are below the sink. And I usually purchase those from the grocery store, and the brand is Lime and Shine, and those are also great for cleaning your appliances as well. Usually wash sheets for my kiddos once every other week because they actually do not sleep on their sheets. They sleep on their soft blankets and then cover up with another one. So I definitely try to do this at least once every other week. But for my husband and I do wash our sheets at least once a week. These sheets that I got for my son's bed, y'all, man, they are so soft. They feel so good on the skin. We got these from Target, and these are the room essentials. And so my husband and I have definitely been waiting for them to get white sheets in. They have been out for the last month. So as soon as they get those in, we're going to get a couple of sets of those for our bed. And as you can see, my husband and I, we definitely love white sheets. It just, I don't know, it feels clean. It reminds me of a hotel. And I just love having that feel in the house. These are the nightstands that finally came in at Target. Y'all, nightstands were so hard to find around this time this year. I have no idea why. It could be because people are buying new homes and so they're getting new furniture and new house pieces. But it took us a few weeks to find two matching nightstands, and we finally found ones that we absolutely love. And so I'm about to put this together. If you have looked at any of my other videos, then you know I love little projects like this. And so I typically do not read instructions, but on this I absolutely had to because there were so many intricate pieces to it. But I love the way that it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, loves. As you can see, at the end of every day, we typically have dinner. This is the number one thing that we absolutely love doing because it is something that we didn't used to have a lot of time to do. My husband and I were always so busy. And so, this is one of the beautiful things about all of the changes that are happening right now. Even though they are bittersweet, and our heart definitely goes out for those families that are being affected by everything right now. We are too, but we definitely try to find positive things inside of storms. And so, we are so grateful for this time with our babies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will have 2 other videos that will pop up in just a second for you. Don't forget to check those out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, loves.